bena uba Prestone Tynsong ba Shen and Sapan ya ga result police ka barang syudep ban penyakun exam hai kini gi penai beladep bat ula ongru ba omdan Satia kata ka Jing le tu haki exam center lane kata ka unfair being Henry ka Jing pen le ya ka exam golong ka pakhui bat ka ba suba.
The recruitment process for the written exam is completed, and now we are in the compiling stage. So hopefully very soon we'll be able to declare the result of those exams which was already. It's quite. I don't have right now the detailed numbers, but it is not less than 37,000. Not less than 37,000. Yes, of course, initially some complaints reached to my table also, and then I've asked DG to find out the facts, the truth, if there is any kind of unfair means done in the examination centers. But ultimately, we got all the details, and we found out that there was no such unfair means done in the examination centers throughout the state.